Hello coffeeholics and Moka Pot lovers, welcome back. Today is a very special clip because I am going to show you how to use this special edition Moka Pot. It is like a magic lamp. It is an Aladino Moka Pot, and if you can have 3 wishes, what would they be? Today I only have 1 wish, that is to make great tasting brew from this special Moka Pot. Now what's so special about this Moka Pot? Most Moka Pots that you would find in the market would come in aluminum material. Now this is food grade material, stainless steel base, porcelain pot, and so there is no metallic taste in your coffee. Some of you might know what I mean when I say that when you brew using a Moka Pot, because they are aluminum, they can give that kind of metallic taste. Well, if you get good quality Moka Pots like the original, then chances are the metallic taste will be less, but still you get a different taste. Whereas when I use this Moka Pot, it is absolutely perfect. It's almost like getting the espresso from the espresso machine. Well, for those who do not know what Moka Pots are, these are inexpensive stovetop espresso maker. They brew espresso-like quality coffee, just like what you would get from an espresso machine. Not quite the same, but the closest to espresso among all the brewing process. When I say inexpensive, when you get an aluminium Moka Pot, the price is very affordable, especially if you get generic brands. This is an original, so it's a little bit more expensive. But this one is quite pricey. It's quite expensive actually, but it is very, very special. Everything is food grade. There is no metallic taste in your coffee. And it is a collector's item, a rare find. So imagine serving your guests a cup of coffee from this gorgeous looking pot. So today I am going to make 2 different types of drink using this Moka Pot. I'm going to make hot latte and I'm going to make iced latte. To brew my coffee, I'm going to use a portable electric hot plate, which is perfect for my Moka Pot size. And as we speak, I am warming my water here to be used for my Moka Pot. And for the ingredients, I am going to use my special honey roast coffee beans here, 100% Arabica, single origin from northern Thailand. And I'm going to make use of chilled milk for my hot latte. This is full cream milk. You can use any milk of choice. And for my iced latte, because it is like a dessert, I always say iced coffee is a dessert, so we have 3 different types of milk there. I'm going to use the full cream milk, I'm going to use condensed milk, and I'm going to use evaporated milk. For those of you that have already seen my video tutorials on using milk syrup, I am going to break it down into details today. So 3 types of milk for my iced latte. First, I'm going to fill my boiler with hot water. So this is now hot. There you go. And then I'm going to set my hot plate to the maximum to make it really, really hot. Prepare it for when I start my brewing. Now for the filter basket, I am going to fill this to the top with medium grind coffee. So freshly ground coffee is perfect. If you have ground coffee, you just have to scoop it up onto your basket. So just level your ground coffee so that it will extract evenly. And make sure the sides are clean. Okay, put this on top of your boiler. I like to use the filter, put it there. Make sure it is locked firmly in place. And I'm going to take the lid off so that I can see it coming out into my pot. Now what I normally like to do is to time it. And about a minute into the process, I am going to reduce the heat to medium. You don't want to rush the process. The perfect brew should be about 4 minutes long. If it's under that, it could be under extracted and your coffee would turn sour. If it's over 5 minutes, your coffee could taste bitter. So I time it. You really have to be ceremonial about this whole thing. Okay? So a minute into, and I'm going to reduce the heat to medium. So we are now nearly 3 minutes into the process and it is smoking hot. Okay, so whilst our coffee is brewing here, let me prepare my iced latte. For this, I'm going to prepare my latte mix. I have my evaporated milk or half and half, depending on what you have, or half cream. And I have my condensed milk and I have my full cream milk. I'm going to put them all into the cup and waiting for my coffee to stop brewing. Okay, so into my glass here. Altogether, this is about 1/2 cup of milk, different types of milk. This is going to be absolutely flavorful, creamy, and delicious. And my final one, which is my condensed milk. If you have a milk syrup, you can use 2 ounces or 60 ml of milk syrup. For this, I'm using a 50% sweetness level, half condensed and half evaporated milk. Okay. And stir. A few things you have to note when using this type of moka pot. Because it's stainless steel, it will take a bit longer to brew your coffee, so don't be alarmed if it's slower than normal, but the taste of the coffee is absolutely perfect. I would say it is very, very close to an espresso. I have here my iced latte, which looks absolutely gorgeous, perfect color, very appealing color. It is dark, it is not runny, it looks very, very creamy, and is absolutely looking very tempting. Wow. I am going to finish this for sure. It is perfect. There is no metallic taste at all, no acidity, although it took longer than normal. It took about 5 minutes to complete the whole process, but the taste of the coffee is just absolutely perfect. Let's repeat the same process. This time we are going to make a hot latte. Place a damp paper filter at the bottom of the pot. Add 200 ml of hot water into the boiler. 20 grams of medium to fine grind coffee. Lock the pot on. Place on high heat to start with. Now using a handheld milk frother, foam the warm milk. As soon as the pot stops brewing, pour into a cup. Finally, pour the warm foamed milk and you get a beautifully looking latte that smells and tastes as good as it looks. Well, there you go. This moka pot is not only lovely to look at, it also works perfectly well, if not so much better than the regular moka pot. It is pricey. I would say that it is worth the price. It is beautiful. It is perfect for making espresso-like coffee. 2 things to note about this: the brewing process, the brewing time might take a bit longer than your regular aluminum moka pot, and also the way to clean it, because it is very, very tiny inside. You might need a little bit of a small sponge to clean the inside, but anyway, you don't need to use detergent with this, and your moka pot will never rust. For collectors out there, if you would like one of these, we only have 3 available, courtesy of a friend of mine. And if you would like to order, do check out the link in the description box. In the meantime, if you have any questions, do let me know. If you don't have this type of moka pot, the process is the same with regular moka pots. You can use the same recipe for hot latte and also iced latte using the recipes that I showed here today. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out my books, The Basic Barista and All Things Milk Tea. Details on how to order also in the description box below. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.